Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Con San Show, episode number 130. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss about how do you really handle this crisis situation? How do you handle this pandemic situation? What do you do in your life when you are in this particular situation? Let's get started. Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. So you have two different options in this particular situation in your life to do. First thing, you can just stay the same. You can just stay how you are. Just work from home, eat, sleep, and do whatever you want in your entire life. But there is certain things that you need to understand. Life doesn't change much if you do so, but this is the time where you have lots of time to work on the things that you always wanted to. As I said, this is the time you can work on your dreams. But one thing that you need to understand, there are certain things that you need to understand in this particular time is this will pass. No matter whatever happens in your life, this will pass. Why? Is because this is not the permanent situation that you're gonna face in your life. The best thing that you can do is stay strong. How do you really stay strong is develop an immune system that can cope up with this particular situation. How do you develop that? The enemy of your immune system is these things: the pressure that you have, the stress that you have, and thinking about the same thing, watching the news or thinking about same thing, such as, oh my god, the coronavirus is so serious, it might attack me. That is the only thing that might attack you. You know what is really good to your immune system? It is positivity and staying calm and being peaceful. That is what makes your immune more and more stronger. I mean, your immunity system. So you might take an example. You might have observed this when you just attend an interview. You might feel a bit sweaty, or when you have lots of exams, what really happens is you might fall sick so easy. But when you are sick and when you want to go on your favorite trip, let's say you want to go to Goa, you feel so energetic. And even though if you have a common cold or if you have just a cough, what really happens, you feel so energetic and your immunity system just fight against it, and you'll be fine within some hours, or if you just sleep and wake up, you'll be fine. That is the power of your brain. So you need to understand that your immune system is completely programmed by your thoughts, not by the medicines. Or medicine can affect, it has a great influence on your body, but your immune system and your mindset have the greatest influence on your entire body or your immunity system. And the next thing is, stop consuming some junk things. I have seen many people who just preparing different kinds of chocolate cakes and some dalgona coffee. You can do that, you can prepare that, but think about this. This is the right time to learn something and make sure you can develop your own career, you can develop your own startup. This is the great time. 1 month you are just in your home and you have plenty of time. This is the time that you always wanted, but you're not using it. Instead of that, you are just thinking that you want to make a bakery and you are preparing dalgona coffee, or you are preparing pani puri and you are preparing different kinds of chocolate cake. You can do that, but think about this. Do you have a life in it, or do you really wanted to do that all your life? It doesn't really make sense, right? So that's the reason, and doctors just tell you that there is no vaccine or there is no particular drug for this COVID-19, that is coronavirus. But the best drug or the best vaccine, according to me, is your mindset. You just have to stay hydrated and you just have to stay safe. That is the best thing that you can do. And set a particular routine, set a particular time in your life. You can just be normal, just like eat, sleep, eat some cake, eat some drink some coffee every day, all that. But that doesn't really make you a great person. That is what I wanted to insist. And if you want to make a change, make sure you just make a routine. Wake up, exercise, eat some good food, fresh food, and stay hydrated. Take some vitamin C. And what happens, read that book that you always wanted to read. Download the PDF, or you can listen to audiobooks, or start something new. This is the right time to do that. So all the best for it, guys. And the shout out in this particular episode is for Crystal Sparrow Labs. So one of my college mate, he has his own startup, and I'm so happy to say that he has started an startup. I think it was a startup when we were starting our startup too. So he has a great startup. They manufacture and they do some projects. So projects in the sense, they manufacture NC machines and some 3-axis machines. You might have heard about 3D printing, all that. So you can just contact him. The links will be over here, and I'll drop his account. I'll link that. So make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, thank you guys. It's me Sanjay signing off. See you at the top. Bye bye.